Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today is going to be lower radiator hose day. We have quite a variety of hoses. A hard area to get it into. Needs to start on this side. Go either down and under the pulleys and lines to this radiator fitting, or it needs to come out a tight bend across there and snake around and go to the water pump. We don't know yet, but we got all kinds of various hoses that we can cut a piece off of, and we just got to make something fit and something work. The fan shroud needs to fit in there also with the fan, but if the hoses clear the shroud, the fan won't be an issue. So I can take that, move it off to the side. But the fan shroud has a skinny portion at the bottom, so the radiator hose coming out and across should not interfere, but we're going to put this on in location to check it. We still don't have that spacer. Right now there's just a couple of sockets back there spacing the pulley out where it will be. I have one hose coupler. I have a couple more coming from Amazon today, but they would go inside a hose. Like if you needed this to, let's say, come up and over instead of down and over, you'd cut the hose, put that inside there and get it clocked the way you want it, and then clampolate it. So I got one of these right now, a couple more coming. The top hose I think is going to be an easy one. I'm just going to take what's already here and put it on. It's time to get started. Got a hose that's going to work for the bottom. It's a big long one.
23605.
Yep, 23605. First I cut it there so we can get it to fit in the car, because this piece needs to go in like that. And this piece needs to come up on an angle like that. But they're going to go together right here. Something like that. That center section was cut out of there, and this should fit in the car just like it is. But we couldn't find a hose shaped like that hanging on the wall, and all the hoses that we bought aren't going to work. But this one did. 23605 with a big chunk cut out of it, a coupler, and it should slide in. The lower hose is fitting in there nice. Goes from the water pump down, across, to the front. Got transmission lines hooked up. They're a little bent out of shape, but that's all right. They'll be fine. Got plenty of room to get the fan shroud in there. And this upper hose, part number 21178, should fit fine for the upper radiator to thermostat housing. Right across there. I just need to shorten it here and maybe cut, an inch off of that part down there. Coming along. I still haven't found this battery hole down yet. I started looking for that at least 3 times so far. I get sidetracked each time. I'm pretty sure I have another one of these in my stash down underneath all that crap. But I'll take care of it. Slowly but surely we're getting done. We're still waiting for the spacer for the pulley. But that won't stop us from starting the car. Once all these hoses are hooked up and the trans line's hooked up, the radiator, it's not bolted in yet, but once all that's bolted in, we can actually start it. Can't let it run long, but at least we'll be able to start it and hear it run. But that's not going to be today, unfortunately. I'm going to take a break, have a cup of coffee, relax, and then come back and work on that upper hose. Okay, upper and lower hoses are in. That's going to be the end of part 11, 71 Comet GT in Dan's Messy Garage. I need to take all those hoses back. I've got the receipts, so I should go do that now. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates on this project and other projects to come. Bye.